Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your laptop wallpaper with pictures from Pinterest. So here I've already opened my Pinterest on pinterest.com and just search for laptop wallpaper keyword. Just type in, click on enter, and just wait until the results show up. So here you just need to select or choose the picture that you like. For example, I'm going to just use or select this pictures right here. Click on a picture. Now click on the three dots icon and download the image. Now open it. So click on this folder icon or open it in your library. Then just right click on it and here choose to set as desktop background. Let's see my desktop background now. Okay, so as you guys can see here, the wallpaper has been changed. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.